Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to introduce about one error inside the entertainment system and of the Hyundai Sonata 2015, which actually belonging to the 2014 and 2017 generation. What happened is the screen for the reverse camera doesn't work, so everything else is working, sound system working, steering wheel control working, you know, the touch screen still respond and working, okay, but the reverse camera is definitely not working properly. So look at this, pull the gear stick and it takes edge to turn on the reverse screen, and the reverse screen is deadly green, pixelated green like this. So you can see that it takes edge to respond for the reverse command, right? So when we pull the gear stick here, normally it would instantly turn on, but now it takes a few seconds to turn it on. So before the owner comes here, he tried to work around, and some say it is camera problem, but actually it's not. It is the head unit system problem. There's something wrong inside the circuit of the head unit here, so it delays the process to understand the reverse command from the car by the gear stick. That's why it shows like a few extra long delay, the few extra second delay to show up the reverse screen. It doesn't show up instantly, and it also doesn't understand the command from the reverse section. So that is the issue from here. And today actually we are doing upgrading the system, including the upgrading of the new camera as well. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one soon.